single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
What is up, everyone? We are more than halfway through fall, which means winter is almost here. So I thought it would be interesting to share with you some fun and easy Scandinavian themed DIYs, which I think are so appropriate for fall, winter, holiday season, Diwali and whatnot. Now, if you don't know what exactly Scandinavian means, it refers to the areas of Denmark, Norway and Sweden, the places famous for Aurora, the Northern Lights, which I am obsessed with. These places are so cold throughout the year that sometimes it even snows during April. Their interiors are very simple yet very stylish. And one thing which I've always observed is the use of natural materials like plants or dry plants and branches. That is why I'm going to show you how to DIY them in 3 different ways which you are going to love. Let's go. On to the first one. I picked up this dry tree from a nearby park when I had gone for a walk like 7 months ago. I saw it lying on the ground and I thought, that's truly beautiful, very artistic. Let's take it home and make something out of it. So 7 months later, I'm finally DIYing it. I peeled off the bark because we are going to apply paint next. I'm going with a white paint for the minimalist theme. Of course, you can choose whatever color you like. Peeling off is necessary if the bark is already peeling off. Otherwise, it'll shed after you apply the paint, and that's not what we want. Just make sure you're old enough to peel it or take an adult's help. Don't want you guys hurting yourself or getting wood in your skin like I did. Then just putting it in a vase with wooden colors and decorating it with some mini fairy lights, as I like to call them, which I recently purchased for this project at a decent price from Amazon. And that is it, you're done. For the next one, we are going for a wedding wish tree inspired look. Yeah, that's what it's called. I didn't know it's a thing. So apparently in Dutch weddings, guests write their wishes for the newly married couple on paper tags and hang it on the branches of these decorated trees. And as you can see, the trees are quite dense. So I also chose a dense one. And to make it look similar to a wedding wish tree, I'm gonna bedazzle the tree a bit with pearls and beads. Give it that shimmer, but not going crazy with it because I'm sticking to a minimalist, subtle look. Using an all-purpose glue, just stick on the beads or pearls wherever you like. You could even hang them from the branches, just like the photos. Then just stick it in a glass bottle. I'm loving how luxurious it looks.
One step more and now we're far from everything we had. Ready for whatever's lying up ahead. We won't stop.
Number 3 is the easiest and so elegant that I think it very closely resembles to what you see in Scandinavian home decor pictures. For this I picked out 2 very simple looking branches And I feel like every stem or branch that you see is a unique piece of art in itself. Nature has so much art and beauty to offer us, and I think we all just need to learn to appreciate it more. So just like most of the Swedish, I'm gonna leave the wood untouched. But if you have varnish at home, do apply it to preserve the wood and give it that shine. And then putting it in a vase made by my mom and spray painted white by me in my room makeover video, if you remember. The first elegant piece of art is ready. For the last one, I'm taking some marble stones and a glass container. That's all you need. Filling up the container with stones, sticking the tiny plant in between the marbles, you've got yourself a quick and cute centerpiece. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you want to see more DIYs on a budget, then subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye!